Today, we're going to build a stunning 3D rotating image carousel that you can interact with by dragging your mouse. It's sleek, dynamic, and perfect for adding that extra wow factor to your website. Not only does it rotate automatically, but you'll also have full control to drag and rotate it in any direction for a fully immersive experience. But before we dive in, I want to take a moment to thank my amazing patrons on Patreon for supporting this channel. Your contributions help me create more tutorials like this. If you'd like to support my work and get access to exclusive content, check out my Patreon linked below. Now, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. To build this project, you'll need to prepare a few files. First, create 3 blank files: index.html, style.css, and script.js. These will hold your HTML structure, CSS styles, and JavaScript functionality, respectively. Next, prepare 6 image files, 5 for the carousel items, and 1 for the background. Place all the image files inside a folder named Images in the root directory of your project. Feel free to use any images you like for the carousel and background. Once everything is set, we'll begin coding. In this HTML snippet, we are building a 3D rotating image carousel, which is a visually engaging way to showcase multiple images or content items. The structure begins with a body tag that contains an h1 element displaying the title 3D rotating carousel images. Below the title, there is a div element with the class carousel, which serves as the main container for the carousel. Inside it, we have another div with the class carousel inner, which acts as the inner wrapper holding the individual carousel items. Each of these items is represented by a div element with the class carousel item. In total, there are 5 items, but you can easily add more or remove some depending on your design requirements. To bring this carousel to life, a script.js file is linked at the bottom of the body using a script tag. This external JavaScript file will be responsible for implementing the functionality and animation logic that allows the carousel to rotate in 3D space. This CSS code defines the visual styling and layout for a 3D rotating carousel, creating an interactive and visually appealing design. Starting with the body selector, the overall page is styled to have no margin, ensuring it spans the entire viewport. The background image, sourced from images/bg.png, is applied with background size cover, ensuring the image scales proportionally to cover the entire background. The page is structured using a flexbox layout with display flex direction column, and justify content center, aligning all content vertically and horizontally in the center. The height is set to 100% of the viewport height, with height 100 VH, and overflow hidden prevents scrolling. The font style is set to impact sans serif, with an italicized design. And the color set to a shade of blue. The h1 element, which serves as the title, is styled with margin bottom 50 pixel to space it away from other elements, and it is absolutely positioned near the top of the page using position absolute and top 60 pixel. Its font size is responsive, defined as 4 value, which adjusts based on the viewport width and letter spacing. 3 pixel add spacing between the characters for better readability. Next is the .carousel container, which is relatively positioned with position relative and has fixed dimensions of width 350px and height 250px. The perspective 900px property gives a 3D depth effect, simulating the distance from the viewer's point of view. Additionally, the container is slightly tilted using transform rotate x 10 degrees for a more dynamic angle, and the cursor pointer indicates interactivity. The .carousel inner element is positioned absolutely within the carousel, taking up the full width and height of its parent with width 100% and height 100%. The Transform Style Preserve 3D property ensures its child elements are rendered in 3D space. A smooth rotation effect is applied with Transition Transform 0.5 seconds ease, which animates any transformations applied to the dot carousel inner. Each dot carousel item is absolutely positioned within dot carousel inner using position absolute, taking up the full width and height of the carousel. The border radius 10 pixel gives the items rounded corners, and display flex with justified content center, and align items center to centers any content inside the items. The background is styled with a fallback dark background color, while background size, cover, and background position center ensure the images scale appropriately and stay centered. The 5 carousel item elements are styled uniquely using the nth child pseudo class. Each item is rotated and positioned in 3D space using the transform property. For example, the first item uses rotate Y0 DEG, translates Z270 pixel, placing it directly in front of the viewer. The subsequent items are rotated by increments of 72 degrees on the Y-axis, 360 degrees divided by 5 items and pushed outward along the Z-axis by translate Z270 pixel. Each item also has a specific background image defined with background image URL, where each image PNG corresponds to the respective image file. This combination of CSS properties results in a visually stunning 3D carousel effect where the items appear to rotate in a circle around the viewer. The code is modular and can easily be customized by adjusting dimensions, the number of items, or the rotation angle. This JavaScript code adds functionality to the 3D rotating carousel by implementing automatic rotation, mouse drag control, and hover interactions. It begins by initializing key variables. The current rotation variable tracks the current rotation angle of the carousel, starting at 0 degrees. The isDragging boolean checks if the user is dragging the carousel, and startX stores the initial X coordinate of the mouse when dragging starts. The carousel inner variable selects the dot carousel inner element, which contains the carousel items. For automatic rotation, the rotate carousel function decreases the current rotation value by 1 degree each time it is called, creating a counterclockwise rotation. This new rotation value is applied to the carousel using the transform property rotate Y. The rotation only continues when isDragging is false, meaning the user is not interacting with the carousel. The setInterval function is used to call rotate carousel every 120 milliseconds, controlling the speed of the automatic rotation. You can adjust the speed by changing this interval. The code also enables mouse drag functionality to manually control the rotation. When the user presses down on the carousel mouse down event, the isDragging flag is set to true, and the startX variable captures the mouse's X coordinate. The carousel's transition property is temporarily set to none to ensure smooth dragging without animation delay. During the mouse move event, which occurs when the user moves the mouse, the The script calculates the difference dx between the current and starting x coordinates. This difference is multiplied by 0.5 to control the sensitivity of the drag, and the result is added to current rotation to adjust the carousel's angle dynamically. The updated rotation is applied using transform, and startX is updated for the next calculation. Once the user releases the mouse up event, dragging is set back to false, and a smooth transition effect is re-enabled by setting transition to transform 0.3 seconds ease. An optional feature allows the carousel's automatic rotation to pause when the user hovers over it. The mouse over event sets the isPaused variable to true, and the mouse out event resets it to false. Although the isPaused variable is declared, the code doesn't integrate it into the rotate carousel function. So you may want to modify the function to check if isPaused is true before applying automatic rotation. Overall, this JavaScript provides an interactive and smooth user experience for the carousel. It combines automatic rotation for continuous movement, drag and rotate functionality for manual control, and hover effects to enhance interactivity. Each component is modular and can be customized to suit your design or user interaction preferences. Finally, we'll bring it to life using JavaScript for the automatic rotation and drag to rotate functionality. Once we've finished all the coding, here's the live preview of our carousel in action. As you can see, it rotates smoothly on its own, and you can interact with it by dragging to change the view. It's a simple, yet powerful effect. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting web development projects. Also, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. A special thanks again to my patrons on Patreon for making this possible. Until next time, happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.